The next day, I couldn't resist going to see one of the world's craziest sporting events. It's taking place in a village just off the road north of Aden. What I'm about to witness is camel jumping. Not camels jumping, but men jumping camels. Unsurprisingly, the men of the Zaraniq tribe are the only people in the world who practice this sport. The camels are lined up into position, ready for the big event.
So this is obviously how you prepare to jump over a camel. This camel has got to be over 2 meters in height.
These are today's competitors. The rules are simple. The man who jumps cleanly over the most camels is the winner. With the camels firmly held in place by their tails, the competition starts. The favourite, Ahmed, makes the warm-up 2-camel jump look easy. But this is just the start, and Mohammed, the smallest of all the competitors, is not going to let lack of stature be a handicap.
You can hardly bear to watch.
Three camels prove a hump too far for some. And then it's 4 camels, and just 2 men left in the running.
That's 4 camels. This just seems madness. 5 camels has got to be too many, surely.
Without delay, Ahmed charges in, full steam ahead.
Oh!
Now the favourite is out, 16-year-old Mohammed is the last one left. Tribal respect is won with these jumps. If he makes this, he'll be considered a warrior. And in the end, there can only be one champion. Mohammed's prize is the admiration of the entire tribe.
Where is he? Here he is. Oh, no. Oh, should we give him a clap him? Yay. You did really good. Really well.